In today's digital world, effective communication is not just an option, it's a necessity. One platform that is making waves in this domain is TrueConf. It's a cutting-edge video conferencing solution that caters to all, from small businesses to large organizations. TrueConf offers an array of products, including the free TrueConf server for small teams, the powerful TrueConf server for medium-sized companies, and the scalable TrueConf Enterprise for large organizations. It's a comprehensive tool that provides client applications for virtually every platform, be it Windows, macOS, Linux, browsers, iOS, or Android. They also offer hardware solutions like TrueConf Group and TrueConf Video Bar. TrueConf's reputation is backed by its recognition in the Gartner Magic Quadrant for Meeting Solutions, a testament to its robust capabilities. It serves various industries from education, government, and finance to telemedicine, telecoms, and HR. TrueConf is not just a video conferencing tool, it's a comprehensive solution for all your communication needs. Now, let's dive into the user side of TrueConf, which is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly. To start, you'll need to download the client application. TrueConf offers applications for a variety of platforms, from Windows, macOS, and Linux to mobile apps for iOS and Android. And if you prefer browsing, TrueConf also has a browser version. Once you've downloaded the appropriate client application, you'll need to sign in. One of the key features of TrueConf is its multi-device sign-in capability. This means you can be signed into TrueConf on your desktop, your smartphone, and your tablet all at the same time, offering seamless integration across all your devices. So, whether you're in the office or on the go, you're always connected and ready for your next meeting. Now that you're signed in, you're ready to explore the amazing features TrueConf has to offer. One of the standout features of TrueConf is its robust meeting management capabilities. So, let's dive right into it. To schedule a meeting, simply go to the Meetings tab and click on Schedule. You can then choose your meeting name, add a description, and select the date and time. Adding participants is a breeze. Just click on Add Participants, and you can select from your contacts or manually enter email addresses. And don't worry about anyone forgetting the meeting. You can set up handy reminders that will notify everyone in advance. Now, what about managing ongoing meetings? TrueConf has you covered. You can easily mute participants to minimize background noise, or you can switch the meeting layout to focus on the main speaker. And if you need to add more participants during the meeting, no problem. Just click on Invite, and you can bring in more people as needed. Managing meetings has never been easier, thanks to TrueConf's user-friendly interface and powerful features. TrueConf isn't just about video conferencing, it's also a powerful tool for collaboration. Let's delve into how you can utilize its robust features to make your meetings more engaging. To share your screen or a specific application, navigate to the control panel at the bottom of your screen, click on Share Content, and choose either your entire screen or the application you want to share. This is a great way to present data, demonstrate a process, or collaborate on a document. But what if you want to highlight something specific on your screen? That's where the annotation tool steps in. After you've started sharing your screen, select the Annotate option. You can then use a variety of tools to draw, write, or mark areas on your screen. This feature can be incredibly useful to direct attention or explain complex concepts. Now, what if you want to revisit the meeting later or share it with others who couldn't attend? That's easy with TrueConf's recording feature. Just press the Record button in your control panel, and the meeting will be recorded and saved for future reference. With TrueConf, you can collaborate effectively and keep records of your important meetings. As you can see, TrueConf is a comprehensive video conferencing solution that is both powerful and easy to use. Its user-friendly interface is designed to help you navigate through the process of scheduling meetings, sharing content, and recording sessions with ease. But that's not all. TrueConf is also equipped with powerful meeting management capabilities, allowing you to manage your conferences with precision. You can broadcast video files with sound, automatically focus on users' faces, and annotate while screen sharing. These collaboration tools make TrueConf a standout in the realm of digital communication. Moreover, TrueConf doesn't compromise on security. Its on-premises infrastructure coupled with easy deployment makes it a reliable choice for many organizations. This is evident as it has been recognized in the Gartner Magic Quadrant for Meeting Solutions and has been embraced by thousands of organizations worldwide, including the Department of Justice and Home Affairs, Nuclear Atomic Power Station, and the World Health Organization. So why wait? Start using TrueConf today and take your digital communication to the next level.